case of the missing necklace crime is a serious issue that affects communities all over the world. When someone does something against the law, it's called an offense. For example, if a person decides to steal a valuable necklace from a store, they commit a crime. This act of taking someone else's property without permission is not only illegal, but it also harms others. In this case, the criminal act might be labeled as theft, and the person who does it is called a thief. Imagine a young man named Alex who decided to rob a jewelry store one night. Unlike stealing, which can happen quietly, robbery involves taking something by force or threat. Alex didn't just break into the store. He also pointed a fake gun at the shopkeeper. This made it a violent crime, much more serious than a minor crime like littering. The shopkeeper, terrified, called the police to report a crime. Soon, the justice system sprang into action. The police sent a detective named Sarah to investigate a crime. She began by looking for evidence, like fingerprints or security camera footage, to find proof of who was responsible. A neighbor who saw Alex running away became a witness and gave a statement. After the police examined evidence, they had enough to charge Alex with the robbery. In legal terms, they could accuse him of breaking the law in a major way. Meanwhile, another crime was happening nearby. A woman named Lisa decided to burgle a house while the owners were away. This burglary involved sneaking into the home to steal electronics. Lisa, now a burglar, didn't use violence, but her actions were still criminal. She too had committed an offense by choosing to break the law. Alex and Lisa were soon caught, but their crimes didn't stop there. In a fit of anger, Alex had also assaulted a police officer during his arrest, which means he attacked someone physically. Worse still, detectives discovered that Lisa was linked to an old case of murder. She had once been a murderer who took someone's life. These were serious crimes, and the consequences would be severe. Both cases went to court, where a trial would decide their fate. A judge oversaw the process, and a jury, a group of ordinary people, listened to the facts. The justice system exists to decide if someone is innocent or guilty. Alex's lawyer argued that he didn't mean to hurt anyone, but the evidence showed he had planned the robbery. Lisa's case was even clearer. The proof of her past criminal actions was overwhelming. After the trials, the judge decided their punishment. Alex was found guilty of robbery and assault. The jury agreed he should go to prison for 5 years, a place also called jail, to keep society safe. Lisa, guilty of murder and burglary, received a much harsher sentence. The judge decided to send her to prison for life. In some cases, like a small theft, a person might just pay a fine, a sum of money as punishment, but Alex and Lisa's crimes were too serious for that. The detective, Sarah, felt satisfied. Her work had helped catch 2 criminals and bring justice to the community. For students reading this, it's clear that committing a crime has consequences. Whether it's a minor crime like shoplifting or a violent crime like murder, the justice system is there to protect us all.